Hello. We are back again to open some booster packs. This time round will be our second English full booster box for this channel, Brilliant Stars. I am really excited about it, let's go. We have the mystical Arceus again to bless us here. This set is really amazing and definitely one of the best from Sword and Shield. My chase card is definitely the Arceus and Charizard alternate art. Our first pack Magic, Vaporeon Trainer Gallery. Not a bad hit. Just a Lapras non-holo rare from the second pack. Another Generation 1 Pokemon, Moltres Holo Foil. Still no ultra rare hits so far. The Arceus pack bring us nothing, so disappointed. Same for the Charizard pack, no hits again. I'm sweating now. Finally, our first ultra rare from this box. We have the Pikachu V full art. A very good full art hit, absolutely adoring this card. Another 2 packs of nothing. Where are the hits? Wow! A double banger. We have the Mimikyu V Trainer Gallery and Simisear V card. A very good pack indeed, the Trainer Gallery is what makes this set awesome. As usual, followed by 2 packs with no hits. Make it 3, a hat-trick. Finally, our second double banger. A normal yellow border trainer gallery then followed by the Zaman Zappa V card. Not the best but a decent pack. Amazing hit. We have summoned the Arceus V-Star Rainbow Rare. I'm so happy that we managed to pull this card. Hopefully this is not the only secret rare from this box. Two packs of nothing. We are at the halfway point of this opening. Our first V Maximum. We pulled the Argon V Max card. This is the second time we get this card from this channel. Our third double banger from this opening. Our first gold and black trainer gallery, Urshifu V Maximum. Followed by another regular rare Shaman V. Very nice pack. Another Druidden non-holo rare card. We definitely pull this card a couple of times today. Another photocopy of the Mud card. Definitely not the first today. Wow. We hit the Baron run at 5. Totally no hits, not even the trainer gallery. Finally, a very common trainer gallery, Alcremie card. At this point, we will take any hit. Another duplicate this time. What are the chances? Generation 1 Pokemon, Kingler V card. Not too shabby. Not again. The same card that we have pulled earlier in the first few packs. We really do have affinity with Generation 1 Pokemon. This time, we pulled the Raichu V card. Probably the last hit from this box, I hope not. Our final packs end with no magic. Let's do a quick recap. We have pulled 5 regular V card and 3 common trainer gallery card. 1 gold Urshifu, 1 gold Max and the Mimikyu trainer gallery. Last but not least, we have the Pikachu V full art and the only secret rare rainbow Arceus V star. Thank you for watching and please help to subscribe.